Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. As you can see from the title, what we're making today, we're making some chicken, some rice and peas, and we're gonna keep it simple. Of course, I wash my chicken. You know how that goes. I'm always gonna do it. Once I pat dry the chicken, like you see here, and don't y'all start the judging, child. That's how I pat dry it with paper towel. I ain't got nothing else, okay? And now I'm gonna season it with spicy, girl. If you don't got spicy girl in your house, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what's going on. There goes, I had to remove the seed, child. But it's a really good spice. It's low in sodium. I use it a lot because you guys already know I'm on my little journey with controlling my blood pressure and blah, blah, blah. So, you know, I take it easy. I also added some all-purpose seasoning for, you know, a little extra punch. And y'all gonna see how easy and simple this chicken is. Like, you're literally doing nothing. Literally, almost. Well, almost. Mix it up really well. Get the spices all over. And this is how it looks right here. Nice and seasoned. So now I'm gonna move on to the rice. So I'm not making a lot. You guys know I don't cook big. I don't have a huge family is what I'm saying. No, you know, no offense to anyone. I don't have a huge family, so I don't make like big old giant pots of food and things like that. So you could double this recipe. This rice is not enough for you and your family is what I'm saying. So now I'm going to rinse up my peas like I did here. I'm going to add a bottle and a half of water. You may or may not need more water. Depends on how tough your peas are and how long they take to cook. Unfortunately, I did not soak mine overnight, so yes. Then I added some bay leaves and some scallions and some thyme down in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you check it out. I also added some chicken bouillon powder because I didn't have broth, and then I put it on the stove and allow it to cook. Once it's cooked, the peas are softened. I added my coconut milk. Once that come to boil and simmer another 10-15 minutes. This is how it's supposed to look, by the way, you guys. You also want to I removed the thyme sprigs from the first cook, and I'm going to re-season at the end. So after that, you want to add some butter. I added a habanero that I cut in half and took all the seeds and ribs out so it's not too hot. I prefer to do it this way versus putting the whole one in there. That's just my thing. Okay, you don't have to. You can put it in there whole if you prefer. I added some garlic, and now I'm going to add my washed rice down in here. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Make sure while you're doing these steps that I just show you that your heat is on medium, high, or high. Don't y'all have this heat on low, because that's how you overcook your rice, okay? Now I'm going to add some spice together to season this up. And again, at this point, you want to taste your broth and make sure you like the flavor of your broth. While the heat is on medium high, as you can see, the liquid reduced, but my rice is not cooked. This is the point you want to shut it down to low heat. Oh my God, they're not going to listen. Low heat, cover it and allow it to cook. After about 20 minutes, this is how it looks right here. Beautiful, amazing, aromatic, and delicious. And you pretty much just remove the habanero out of there and, you know, all the thyme sprigs and things like that. And it's just gorgeous rice. All right, so now we're on to the chicken. Now, I know, don't talk about me, okay? I'm going to pile every last piece of my chicken in this bowl. Every last piece of chicken is going in this baking pan right down in here. Now, I know some of y'all culinary people because y'all love watching my videos and making y'all critiques because, I don't cook for y'all. I cook for people that need help cooking. But pour it all up in there with a pepper and some shallots. Then you're going to take your favorite barbecue sauce. This is the one I'm using because it was cheap. I got it from the Aldi supermarket. It was $1. Okay? But use your favorite. Whatever you want to use. Okay? And I'm going to pour it right over all of this. All over, everywhere. And I'm going to cover it and pop it in the oven. Done. Literally done. And then you're going to let it go for about 40 minutes. And then you're going to uncover it and let it cook 15 minutes on 400 degrees. After that, it comes out looking like this. Don't forget to check my description box for times and temps, even though I just told y'all. But look how beautiful this chicken looks. They still cook. Small pan, big pan, still cook, still beautiful, still golden. The color is amazing, and the chicken was delicious. All right, so now I'm going to plate everything up. I'm going to put some rice down like I'm doing here. Nice and shelly and delicious. This rice was the best part. Promise you guys, it was so good. Then I'm going to add the beautiful, amazing golden chicken that I piled in one pan and cooked it off. Look how, like, I can't even, like, look, done. That sauce, by the way, ended up being so good, you guys. That sauce is good. If you go to Aldi, get that sauce. I'm not gonna lie, the vegetables were an afterthought. I just made a quick little salad on the side. You know, I eat a lot of it daily anyway, so you know I wouldn't be missing anything. You guys know I've been juicing, eating all these veggies and all that, so it was an afterthought. But yeah, this is how it looks. I hope you give it a try. If you do, tag me. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.